Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing LANDR and Amuse, two music distribution platforms that aim to empower independent artists but take very different approaches. LANDR started out as an AI mastering service and has since grown into an all-in-one creative hub. It's not just about distribution. You also get automated mastering, plugin bundles, sample packs, and even promotional features. The platform is designed to make sure your tracks don't just get uploaded but actually sound polished and release ready. Amuse, on the other hand, built its reputation by being one of the first distributors to offer free, unlimited releases. Its focus is on accessibility, artist data, and simplicity. While it doesn't bundle in mastering or plug-in suites, Amuse gives independent musicians a straightforward way to release their music globally, get insights into streaming performance, and even access advances through its financing options. In terms of workflow, LANDR feels like a studio built into your distribution platform. You can create, master, polish, and release without leaving the ecosystem. Amuse feels leaner, built for artists who just want to get their music out quickly and use analytics to shape their next steps. Now let's talk pricing in 2025. LANDR runs on a subscription model, starting at $13 per month for the Essentials plan, $20 for Standard, and $25 for Pro. Each step adds more features, from unlimited MP3 or WAV mastering to plug-in credits and large sample libraries. Amuse has shifted to a very budget-friendly annual model. The Artist plan comes in at just $1.99 per month, billed annually at $23.99. The Artist Plus plan costs $3.33 per month, or $39.99 per year, and adds features like fan base management, high-res audio distribution, and support for two artists. Finally, the Professional tier costs $5 per month, billed at $60 annually, and supports 3 or more artists, custom label names, and priority 24-hour support. So which platform is better? If you're looking for a creative toolkit that bundles distribution with mastering, samples, and plugins, LANDR is the stronger choice. But if your focus is low cost, simple distribution with data insights and scalability for multiple artists, Amuse is hard to beat. At the end of the day, LANDR is about polishing and enhancing your creative process, while Amuse is about affordable and accessible distribution with growth options. The choice comes down to whether you want extra creative tools or a leaner budget-first approach. So, what's your pick? LANDR's all-in-one ecosystem or Amuse's affordable simplicity? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if this breakdown helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more music distribution comparisons every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.